Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this episode, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your AOL Mail account's password. Whether you've forgotten your current password or simply want to update it for security reasons, here is how you can easily do it. First of all, open the AOL Mail application from your app drawer. Make sure to log into your account as well by entering your credentials correct. Once logged in, click on the AOL logo at the top left-hand corner and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, click on Manage Accounts option under Account Security. Click on Account Info under your name and then click on Security. Enter your device's passcode in order to unlock and proceed to the next step. Inside Security, scroll down and tap on Change Password. Enter the new password you'd like to set for your AOL account and tap on Continue. And you have now successfully changed your password for AOL. Remember to keep your new password secure and avoid sharing it with anyone. Additionally, you can consider updating your password regularly to enhance your account's security. Well, that wraps up our tutorial on how to change your AOL Mail account's password. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials from us.